Good morning, kindergarten. It is Friday. That means you have 2 days of non-school coming up, which are called the weekends. So I hope you're doing something fun, hanging out with your family, maybe sleeping in. And I will be back and see you on Monday, live, back to our regular schedule. All right, and which is Valentine's Day, so that'll be extra exciting. All right, let's start calendar. We are still in the month of February. Look at the top. And yesterday was the 10th, so that means what comes after 10? 11. Good job. And if yesterday was, looking at the top, looking at our days of the week, if yesterday was Thursday, that means today is, and I just said it, starts with the F, Friday, and tomorrow will be Saturday. Means an extra day of getting to play longer, right when you don't have school. Right. So if someone comes up and says, what is today's date? You're going to say, today's date is February 11, 2022. And if yesterday was 97 days of school, what comes after 97? 98. And what do I need to add? Do I need to add to our hundreds, tens, or ones? Right, just one more because we just added one more in our ones place value. So that is the only thing that is changing for today. All right, what do I need to change here for our expanded form? I need to get rid of the 7 in the ones place, and I need to go one more up, and that is an 8. Put it in the ones place, and what number does that become? It is 98. Good job. So we're going to add one more to our ones. Now let's count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and freeze. Let's count by ones. 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98. How many more days until we are at 100 days of school? 2, that's right, not very many. So next week we will have Valentine's Day and our 100 day of school. All right, good job, kindergarten. Now you can have a little brain break, go noodle, and then start on your math for today. All right.